In the pages of history, there are few names that shine as brightly as Nelson Mandela's, a beacon of hope, resilience, and the triumph of the human spirit.
This continent knows the true meaning of racism. Its peoples have both been perpetrators of racism against others and themselves the victims of an insane and murderous racist ideology.
Nelson Mandela, born in 1918, dedicated his life to the pursuit of justice and equality in the face of adversity. As a young lawyer, Mandela became a vocal advocate against the oppressive apartheid system in South Africa. His unwavering commitment to justice led to his imprisonment for 27 years. Yet, even behind bars, Mandela's spirit remained unbroken. In 1990, the world witnessed the historic moment when Nelson Mandela was released from prison, signaling the dawn of a new era for South Africa. In 1994, Mandela became South Africa's first black president, steering the nation towards reconciliation and unity. Nelson Mandela's legacy extends far beyond his presidency, inspiring generations to stand up against injustice and embrace the power of forgiveness. May we always remember Nelson Mandela, a symbol of hope, resilience, and the enduring strength of the human spirit.